Good morning, children. Let's start our class with a silent prayer. Children, last class we learned about the number names from 1 to 9 and 0. Did you write and study the number names from 1 to 9? Did you complete your homework? Yes, I know all of you write and study the number names. Very good. Children, look at these boxes. Can you see it? Look at these boxes. Are they of same sizes? No, they are different sizes. Isn't it? This box is big. This box is big. And this box is small. This box is small. Here we compare the object based on their size. This is big box and this is small box. So today we are going to study about the comparison of object. Here we compare the objects based on their size. This box is big and this box is small. In similar manner, we can take another example. Children, look at these bags. Are they of same sizes? Are they of same sizes? No, they are different sizes. This bag is small. This bag is small. And this bag is big. This bag is big. Here, objects compared based on their size. Okay. Children, now compare the object based on their size. Big and small. Big and small. Big is B-I-G. Big. Small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Next, we are going to compare the object based on their length. Based on their length. Look at this picture, children. Here, giraffe is tall. Giraffe is tall. And fox is short. Fox is short. Look at this trees. This tree is tall. This tree is tall. And this plant is short. This plant is short. Okay. Children, when we compare the object based on their length, we get tall and short objects. Tall and short. Tall, T-A-L-L, tall. And short, S-H-O-R-T, short. Tall and short. Children, open your textbook and take page number 62. Page number 62, exercise 1, tick the big animal. Tick the big animal. There are two animals in the figure. Which one is the big animal? Elephant. So, tick elephant. Then, second question, circle the tall building. Which building is tall? Yes, the first one. The first one is the tall building. So, circle the first building. Then, question number C, color the big ball. Which one is the big ball? The first one. So, you want to color the first ball. Do as homework. Then, next question, circle the small fruit. Which one is the small fruit? Apple. So, you want to circle apple here. Then, next figure, question number E, tick the short ladder. Which one is the short ladder? Yes, the red one. So, tick this. Then, the last question in the exercise, color the short tree. Which one is the short tree? This one. So, you want to color this short tree. Okay. Children, now we are going to compare the objects based on their quantity. Look at this. In which hand has more pencils? This hand. That is, this is many. And which hand has less pencils? This one. So this is few. This is many and this is few. So object can be compared based on their quantity as many and few. Many. M-A-N-Y. Many. Few. F-E-W. Few. Okay, children? All of you open your textbook. Take page number 64. Take page number 64, exercise 2. Take page number 64, exercise 2. Tick the bunch which has many balloons. Tick the bunch which has many balloons. Which bunch has many balloons? First one or second one? Second one. So, tick the second bunch. Then, question number B. Circle the bunch which has few grapes. Which bunch has few grapes? The first one or second one? Second one. So, you want to circle the second bunch. Then question number C. There is a carrot for every rabbit. Right? Yes or no? You want to check whether there is a carrot for every rabbit. Here 5 rabbits are given for you in the figure and 5 carrot also given for you in the figure. That means there is a carrot for every rabbit. Children, look at this. One toffee is inside the box. One toffee is inside the box. Inside. Now I am going to take this toffee outside the box. Now this toffee is outside the box. Outside. Inside and outside. Okay. Inside and outside. Inside. I-N-S-I-D-E. Inside. Outside. O-U-T-S-I-D-E. Outside. Children, now I am going to keep this marker on the top of the board. Now the marker is on the top of the board. Top. Teacher is going to keep the marker on the bottom of the board. Now this marker is on the bottom of the board. Top and bottom. Top and bottom. Top and bottom. Top. T-O-P. Top. Bottom. B-O-T-T-O-M. Bottom. Top and bottom. Children, look at this chair. The chair is near to me. Near. The chair is near to me. Now look at this chair. The chair is far away from me. The chair is far away from me. Near and far. Near. N-E-A-R. Near. Near. N-E-A-R. Near. And far. F-A-R. Far. F-A-R. Far. Children, look at this. This is a pencil and this is a marker and this is a pen. Look at this. The pencil is standing before the marker. Before. The pencil is standing before the marker. Now look at this. The pen is standing after the marker. The pen is standing after the marker. Before and after. Before. B-E-F Before. Repeat after me, children. Before. B-E-F-O-R-E. Before. B-E-F-O-R-E. Before. After. A-F-T-E-R. After. A-F-T-E-R. After. Children, look at this figure. Where is the book? The book is on the table. On. The book is on the table. And where is the cat? The cat is under the table. Where is the cat? The cat is under the table. Under. On and under. On. O-N. On. Repeat after me. On. O-N. On. Under. U-N-D-E-R. Under. U-N-D-E-R. Under. Children, look at this figure. Where is the birds? The birds are flying above the bridge. The birds are flying above the bridge. And where is the boat? The boat is sailing below the bridge. The boat is sailing below the bridge. Above and below. Above. A-B-O-V-E. Above. Repeat after me. Above. A-B-O-V-E. Above. And below. B-E-L-O-W. Below. B-E-L-O-W. Below. Children, all of you take your textbook. Take page number 67. Take page number 67, exercise 3. Take page number 67, exercise 3. The first question, circle the one who is outside the house. Circle the one who is outside the house. Who is standing outside the house? Bird. Bird is standing outside the house. So you want to circle the bird. Circle the bird. Next figure, tick the one who is on the stool. Who is standing on the stool? The girl is standing on the stool. So you want to tick here. The girl is standing on the stool. Tick here. Take next page, page number 68. Look at the figure. Who is at the bottom of the ladder? Who is at the bottom of the ladder? And tick the correct one. Who is at the bottom of the ladder? The cat is at the bottom of the ladder. So, tick the cat. Tick here. Then, the last question. The bird is flying above the girl. Right? Yes or no? The bird is flying above the girl. Yes, the bird is flying above the girl. So, write here, yes. Okay, children, today we discussed about the comparison of objects based on their size, length, quantity, etc. See you on next session. Thank you.